Hey man, Carlos again here. Yeah, so I'm just looking at the whole thing, and it seems that your problem occurs on every browser. So now I'm concerned because if we cannot replicate the problem, then obviously we are kind of dead in the water. But let me show you on Chrome. That's obviously your app, and again, as you saw there, I literally copied that link. Like I really want to make sure that we are like working on the same thing, right? And as you can see, I can log into your app. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I can log into your app and then password. And again, like I can do, I'm on a Mac, so I'll do Command R and refresh it, and nothing happens, right? So I cannot replicate it. Now, I have a couple theories. I have a couple theories here. I am kind of thinking. Sorry, I'm in the office right now and have a coworker yelling at people right now. So here's Firefox. I think that there could be something set up in your Chrome, but the thing is that you already said that this happens with every browser, so I'm not sure it's limited to Chrome. But I'm not sure if it could be related to your network. So I'm not sure if you're doing this at an office where you're sitting behind a proxy. So that could be something to look into, but I don't think that that should be the problem because I'm actually behind a proxy myself at a client, so that shouldn't be the problem. So I just want to show you this, that it works, right? It works for me. And again, I don't mean it as like, hey, it works for me, is your problem now. So what I want to recommend is, and I'm looking at your code here right now, and it looks good. The only thing that I spotted, which I'm not sure if it's the thing that's gonna throw a wrench at this, is that obviously the file is not the same name as the one that got created with my version of Create React App. So I'm not sure if that could be the issue. But what I would recommend for you is that go to the lessons. Go to the lessons where we implement security on the React side. And then what I would do is kind of console log most of the things, right? Like just log it and then obviously test the whole flow on your local environment and then redeploy it with all those logs. And then let's see what happens, right? Like basically see what happens every time that you refresh, what exactly is it that it logs. Because again, if I cannot replicate the issue, it's really hard for me to help you out. So I'm gonna keep looking at your video because I noticed that you had some errors there. So I'm gonna kind of see if I can investigate that a little better. But other than that, I would say console log it, redeploy it, and see what the logs have to say.